So ngayon magta-transfer tayo ng files from Action Camera to this Android phone. Gamit tayo ngayon ng USB Type-C na OTG. So first, i-make sure muna natin na naka-open yung ating OTG connection. And i-connect natin tong card reader sa ating phone. Yan, as you can see, iilaw na siya gamit yung OTG natin. And it will recognize the micro SD card of this Action Camera. So check natin kung gumagana ba. DCIM, camera. So as you can see, hindi naghahang yung mga files niya and I can open it. For example, yan. So I can easily access the files of this Action Camera using the card reader with the help of this USB Type-C OTG. Try naman natin mag-copy ng 500 MB na file. Let's copy this sa phone storage. Copy natin sa pinaka-root folder. And as you can see, mabilis yung transfer rate niya. Hindi siya naghahang, hindi siya mabagal. So, yan. Real time to, guys. 500 MB yung storage or yung space. Yan. So, nakopy agad siya. And nandito na siya sa phone storage na root folder. And itry natin kung gumagana. Let's remove this first para malaman natin kung successfully ba na nag-transfer yung file. Talagang nag-transfer talaga siya. And ayun, successfully working naman siya. If you're looking for this product, just click the yellow basket down below and follow for more.